Look, a tiny cell here. Where? I can't see it. It's too tiny, Noor. Make it bigger, please.
Bismillah, inflation ray ready.
Whoa! It's like a city. Ow! It bounced me back. It's so bouncy. We can't get in. How do we enter? Found it.
The protein door.
Cholo, let's go, team.
Time.
This is fun.
Alhamdulillah, so cool.
We made it inside. Look how big everything is.
The nucleus, the cell's brain. It's glowing so bright.
MashaAllah, so beautiful. The ribbons are dancing.
RNA copying instructions, like homework.
They're taking notes, look. Whoosh, they're so fast.
To the protein factories, follow!
The factory is reading it. Now it builds proteins. It's like Lego. Click, click. Look, it's growing longer. SubhanAllah, it's folding itself. Each shape has special job.
It's moving, hold on!
Like a postal service inside.
So many packages. Oh, alert! Why did we stop?
Calling cleanup crew. Emergency help. Too much for them alone.
We must help. Come on. Push, push, almost there. Push together. 1, 2, 3. Ah! It's working. Look inside.
Recycled into useful parts. MashaAllah.
Like magic inside.
Now the power station. Mitochondria.
What makes power here? Those motors are huge. They're spinning so fast.
20,000 spins per minute! Fastest ever!
SubhanAllah, so powerful.
The wind is so strong.
Hold on tight, everyone!
ATP energy bubbles, cell's power source. They're so pretty and glowy. These give us energy to run and play.
This powers cleanup crews too.
Everything needs energy.
Goodbye, cell pods. Shukriya.
Back to the outside.
That was amazing adventure.
Back to normal size. Snap! Bye-bye, giant cell. SubhanAllah, even tiny cells amazing.
They work so hard.
Cells clean up just like us.
Mistakes happen, but teamwork fixes everything.
Alhamdulillah.